love you.
I love you. Oh la la. Oh la la. Oh la la. What are you doing? Okay. Oh, okay. Huh? It's in Sangsa?
गाड़ी पे बैठ की
Ha ha ho ha. Where we going? Ha 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 ha. Oh, what? No. I'm scared. I'm dressed. Hi. Next tomorrow. One. Oh.
tabungna jarago khaklai nor joto Mhyhochi no sini abrok korina hino ko Mhyochi bai Bubagra ni kaisa album belai phano viral ongoni rok nungoi tongo chung social media go hadin ke chung first nai nelayan o Mhyochi boroni bini thai boro bo tamone India go phai and tamok khlai omono chung first sakang sahoi nailaiano Mhyochi ngha kaisa tweet stream tweet bo kaisa YouTube algorithm ne hai orobo chung live video barakhe YouTube nai tong tweet debo Bahaikhe live program ani nungoi tongo Mhyochi ni thayongka Korean koekdin sikango Mhyochi tweet go live roi tong furogo chung belai phano viral ja kaisa video nungoi tongkha
You know what I'm saying? Hi. Hello. Hi. Good. How are you? Oh, you love me? Oh, I love you too. Hell yes. Huh? Come here. Oh, is it okay? I'm making the video. Is it okay?
Rocket.
Oh,
love you.
I love you. Oh la la. How old are you?
Love you. One big.
Okay. What are you doing? Okay.
Romai shopre jaka mutun sujaka and others aro belai phano jengjal kalaimani rok chung nungoi tongo omoni phurmai ka hinke o clips ro belai phano viral ongoi tongma nungoi police ro box ro mane arrest khaika bini tweet channel dirang mane yaglo sebo kaisa YouTube channel khuluka bini mungoi boini tweet channel dirang mane yaglo sebo YouTube Faiyoi YouTube channel kaisa khulogoi bini 10 din bisingo je 1 lakh ni laibo bisi subscribe adija hinke Mhyochi no mohai jongjal kalaimarang nungoi chini Bubagra bo Tripura Faiyoi berai nai fedi lego thangpade hine invite khwlai
और कहाँ जाना चाहिए you can also advise them.
वो आपका जो ट्वीट था या एक
हाँ
फोटो
जो मेरा
आपने-
उसके बाद तो अरेस्ट हुआ ना वो पुलिस का वो गुंडे लोग
हाँ
हाँ सो उसके बाद ये पहला बार इंडिया आया है और इतना खराब हम लोगों का इम्प्रेशन नहीं होना चाहिए हमें बोला कि हम लोगों का ईस्ट में ऐसा नहीं होता है हम लोग अलग हैं तो इसके लिए तो आई वांट देम टू एटलीस्ट टेक सम गुड थिंग्स फ्रॉम हम लोग का नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बारे टू एंड त्रिपुरा के बारे टू It's been great.
Yeah.
These are all the medias.
Oh, really? Hi.
I
I didn't expect.
I got any questions you can ask.
Yes,
So after you have came to India, right? Then now you have come to notice India. How do you feel in this in
It
Tripura?
feels like completely different, really. And I'm having more relaxed and chilling time. I landed in the first city was Shillong. Shillong was beautiful. And yesterday I arrived in Tripura and I joined the march yesterday.
Yes.
Oh, it was amazing. It was very beautiful. People looks like more. I feel like I'm from Northeast.
And do you love our traditional dress of Tripura?
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
I had the short
Risa.
yesterday. Yeah, Risa.
It-
I think I still have it. Yeah.
How do you feel that it's beautiful or what?
It's very beautiful, and we have a very similar culture in Korea as well. Here, sticky rice is also famous.
Yes.
I didn't try it yet, but I heard there's like a sweet version of sticky rice and salty version. I really want to try that as well.